Hello kid, let's draw color the educational shapes. Triangle shape, triangle shape. This is heart shape, heart shape, heart shape. This is star shape, star shape, star shape. Trapezoid shape, trapezoid shape. Next one is cross shape, cross shape. Last one, circle shape. Color it a red color. Triangle shape, a red color triangle shape. Triangle shape, a red color. Yellow color, heart shape. Yellow color, heart shape. Pink color, star shape. Pink color, star shape. Star shape. Blue color, trapezoid shape. Trapezoid shape, blue color. Blue color trapezoid shape. Orange color cross shape. Color name orange color. Shape name cross shape. Red color circle shape. Red color circle shape. Okay, here bye.